This is going to be the elevator, the Chimney Elevator at the Grove Park Inn in Asheville. Oh. Hi.
Hi there. I'm going to have to quickly.
Okay.
First.
All right.
Barely raised up.
Yeah.
Enough room in this? Enough room for about 2 more. It takes a minute to. So the place you mentioned is this way, right? Around the corner, right? Okay. Thanks. And there.
Right. I'm waiting for it right now. This lobby. GAL JetPlus. Let's wait for it to come. It's here. Eric's coming. It's here. Oh no, it passed me. GAL JetPlus. It's coming. I'm gonna. It's here. All right. Let's go out. Let's get a look inside. Oh, 3 doors. Wow. Just want to take a ride up and back down.
Okay.
Up to the top.
Yeah, let me pick up some folks first.
Okay. Wow.
Hi, hello again.
Hello again. Go back to the lobby, I assume?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna go for a little ride.
Asheville Elevator replaced that.
He's doing a little video on the elevator.
I'm a big fan of elevators, and this is an antique, ancient elevator.
I know.
I like the ancient ones like these the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Are we able to go up to 6?
Yeah, we can do that.
There's your gate. Goes up the chimney.
Yeah. Gets a little warmer in the wintertime when they have a fire.
See what it looks like. Oh, wow.
If you want, you can go across.
Oh, there's another one.
Hit the buzzer on that. Somebody will come up and they can take you back down.
Can I see the call button? Oh.
See, that's what happens. You see, I see the little button there.
Yeah.
That's how
Let me see what it does. See. Okay.
That's how I know which floor to go to.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I'm just gonna watch it shut. There goes that one. Wow, this is amazing. This is the original building. There's down the atrium. Wow. Here's the elevator. Interesting black GAL call button. Yeah, Asheville Elevator modded the fixtures, but these are Otis. Are you coming? Can see into the hoistway. Here it is. Just a big fan of historic elevators.
Fair.
Wow. Want to just go down, just take a ride?
Do you want to go all the way down or just like one floor?
All the way down.
Okay. Well, I have to pick up some other people and they just might not want to be videotaped.
I understand that.
So should I get them? Like, are you actively videotaping or are you just like taking a few pictures?
Oh, I'm actually actively videotaping.
Well, we can
Yeah, we'll just go down and see.
Who knows? Maybe they want to be all
Yeah.
elevator fans.
I'm just interested in elevators and like I do videos of them. You okay? I'm just doing a little film of the elevator.
Okay.
Yeah, I won't get you on camera.
Just stand in the corner. I'm so used to being on camera in these things. People all the time are like, she's the cute little elevator operator. We need her in.
You ever see elevator operators?
It's a rare job.
It's rare now, I mean, because a lot of people have replaced and modernized their elevators, but
And it's pretty and you walk, you feel like you're walking in a
yeah,
cave.
it really does, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'll watch it go. That's the inside, and there it goes. And that's gonna be it.